The United States shattered a single-day record with over 1 million COVID-19 cases on Monday amid the rapid spread of Omicron variant in the country, according to Johns Hopkins University. It remains the country worst hit by the pandemic, with the world's most cases and deaths. The number of new COVID-19 cases has doubled in the last 7 days to an average of 418,000 a day, local media reported. However, the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has decided to shorten the recommended times that people should isolate when they have tested positive for the virus from 10 days to 5 days if they don't have symptoms, a move that drew criticism from medical experts and created confusion among the public. The rise of COVID-19 infections to record levels in recent days has resulted in thousands of canceled flights, prompted retailers to train available employees on new jobs or close some stores altogether. Companies were quoted as saying,